What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Custom Daytona series. I am your host, JaretCampisi, your mechanic, Dotto. Today is an episode we've both been waiting for. As you saw in the previous episode, we installed a Power Commander 5, which ended up being pretty involved. And then in this episode, we're going to be taking this bike over to Carnes Performance. Jason is going to be doing a custom tune, and we're going to try to get some more power out of that full Akra exhaust system. I'm really excited for this. I wish we could have had better conditions, but let's go find out how much power we can make out of this bad boy. Stay tuned. Since it is a little bit wet today, it looks like it has stopped raining, but we're just going to swap out our custom Louis Moto seat since there is suede on it, just for the comfort seat, which we will be including with the new owner. And then I don't think we're going to cover a bike. We're just going to strap this puppy down, and then we should be good to go. So getting the bike strapped down and making sure it's not going to go freaking anywhere, because if something happens to this bike, I would literally blow my brains out after I shot Dotto. Hey guys, check it out. Sneak peek of the next build series. We're doing power lawnmowers.
Look at this.
This is what, every time I come over here, Dotto's doing something else crazy. It looks like he has a field goal post for some reason.
I do.
We're gonna kick field goals once we get there. We're gonna put a safety strap on and we should be good to go. Here we go, folks. She's all ready to go. Wish us luck. Look at us. 3 idiots in a fucking old beat up Chevy. I feel like this is the start of a country song. The Daytona's back there. You can kind of see it. Looking badass.
It's miserable out here.
It is really miserable. We should be riding this damn thing over there.
And you're getting
like
that from a Pennsylvania.
Yeah, from born and
guy.
Oh, not born and raised.
Not born, raised.
There's some cows for you. Well, Dotto's old Chevy that he always talks about how amazing old Chevys are is kind of breaking down at the moment.
It's fine.
No, it's fine.
I don't hear anything.
It is.
Jared's going crazy.
He just pulled off to the side of the road and we sat there for a little bit. Now, for some reason, it's okay.
How long did we sit there for?
A minute.
Listen, the truck just needs it just needs a little bit of time. Think about things.
Recover.
All right, hopefully we can get the bike there. And the truck broke down. Is it what you thought it was?
No, it's worse.
What happened?
My truck's overheating.
The truck's overheating.
And that's
belt's
busted.
off. What's busted?
Right there underneath.
What is that? Is that what keeps the belt on track?
Yep.
Awesome. So what do we do?
Nothing. Truck broke down.
You ride it to.
I'm gonna ride it to the dyno.
It's so cold.
Screw it, I'm riding it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have to ride this to the dyno because we need to keep this appointment. Luckily, it's only like a half mile up the street.
A mile and a half.
And there's no helmet law in Pennsylvania, so I got eye protection, and I'm gonna take this bike over there and get it dynoed. Wish me luck. Hopefully Dotto can get this fixed.
Hey, put your glasses down.
These are Dotto's glasses he had? Oh my god. Alright.
Good luck.
So I made the car in safely. Thank God it wasn't very far because we don't even have a license on it or mirrors because obviously we weren't planning on riding it. But yeah, we're here. We're good to go. Let's get on the dyno and see what she can do. So while Jason gets the bike set up, I'm just going to explain briefly what's going on. So basically, when you're doing a custom tune, he's going to go in there on each throttle position, 10, 20, 30, 40, all the way up to 100% throttle, and he's going to adjust the air to fuel ratio. And so what that allows you to do is make sure you're getting the most power out of your current setup with your exhaust, your air filter, all that kind of stuff. And so that's what basically we're doing right now. We're custom tuning the engine, the fuel map, air to fuel ratio to make sure that we get as much possible power as we can out of our current setup. So our stock run was 116. With the Akra system was 120 with the Aero Flash from Triumph. And then now we're gonna find out with a custom tune what we can get out of it. So let's wish for a 124 or higher. And what do you guys think below? Drop comments what you guys think below, what we'll end up with. And here we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, stock numbers in here on this exact same dyno with Jason, 116 horsepower. We put on the full Akra system. We added the BMC Air Race filter, and we did a Triumph ECU flash. On this dyno, it made 120. We weren't happy with that. Jason thought he could get us more with a custom tune and a power commander, so we went and installed that. He just hit 131, guys, on a 675R. The Panigale 959 stock hit 130, just to give you an idea of how much horsepower that is in a 600. So huge shout out to Jason. Thank you so much, brother. We really appreciate it. He's the man, honestly. He keeps it real. And if you guys need something tuned, Carbon Performance, this is where you want to do it. There's the official graphs, which we're going to look at once we get back home. But, oh my God. About time, huh?
That's right.
About time. So we'll check in with you guys when we get back home. We got the bike back up on here. We're gonna strap it down and then go home and bust open a bottle of champagne to celebrate those horsepower numbers. All right, she's strapped down, chalked up, and God, I'm so happy right now. So when Dado's like, I think we're breaking down, and I'm like, shut up.
I said I know we're breaking down.
Yeah, okay. And then I look over and he's like muscling the steering because like the power steering went out and the brakes and everything.
Like really like
Yeah.
honking the horn.
When Dado's muscling something, you know it's
I was
real.
struggling, man. No gym for me today.
Yeah, he was struggling.
Come on, man, turn.
Those Popeye arms. But God, what a crazy day. I honestly could not be more excited about the outcome. So until Dado, what are you doing?
Into another car.
What are you doing?
I thought he was gonna turn.
Oh my God! All right.
You said you wanted good footage.
I'm gonna
right?
check in when we get home safely. Air in here, and we are on the side of the road again.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are, Dado. Is it okay?
Owen's not going through the... Oh, through the...
Yes, it is.
No, it's not because I squeezed it.
Oh my God. Are we gonna be able to get home?
You're gonna look like a Guido again. You're riding the Daytona.
Oh God. Well, we made it home safely, thank God. Dado said he figured out what was wrong with his truck. He built a fail-safe into it, so it doesn't overheat.
I didn't build anything. Thanks.
Dado built everything. But we're back. We're gonna go get this bike inside, sit down, and talk about the numbers. So stay tuned. So, despite all the setbacks today, Dado's truck, we got the bike there and we got it on the dyno, and as you know, we made 131 horsepower on a Triumph Daytona 675R. Not to mention the weight loss that we've had on this thing, at least 25 pounds, probably more.
So when Jaret was sleeping at
conditions were
night,
poor.
when Jaret was sleeping at night, I modded the hell out of this and didn't tell him.
Apparently, Jesus. So I'm really, really, really happy. We had to bust out a black and tan to cheers to the power numbers. So stock numbers, 116 horsepower. When we put the Akra system on, we did the Triumph ECU Aero Flash and BMC Race filter. We got 120 horsepower. We weren't happy with that. Jason thought we could get more. Dyno thought we could get more. So we installed the Power Commander. I spent a lot more money on this. This custom tune was expensive. The Power Commander was expensive. So I was really nervous and hoping we were going to get some power, and I'm really, really happy with 131 horsepower. Just to give you an idea, guys, the Panigale, the 959, made, I think, 134 horsepower stock. So that's ridiculous for a 675R.
Even Jason said that. He goes, dude, this thing's making good power. And he was kind of surprised.
Yeah, it wasn't even good conditions, you know. I mean,
Yeah.
it was rainy. It was in the 50s.
Humid.
It was humid. Yeah, like you want cold, dry air to get like. Jason thought we could maybe even get another 4 or 5 horsepower if it was like really cold, good, perfect conditions. So I'm really, really happy with that. I know the patrons are going to be stoked. And next episode, guys, is our final episode of the Triumph Daytona series. I can't believe it. I can't wait to choose a winner, and it's going to be amazing. But super, super excited. Again, if you guys ever want to be a part of the series, head on over to patreon.com/Campisi Customs. It'll always be linked in the description below. You can find out how it all works. Just take a minute to read it all.
There's still time.
There's still time to support, yeah. So you can support, yep. And there's always time to support until the end of the next series, or the end of the next episode, and then we'll be starting our next series, which is gonna blow your freaking minds.
Vespa.
I'm not even turbocharged Vespa. No, but also one other thing I'll mention: this Saturday, January 27th, we are going to be at the PA Auto Show in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania.
All of us.
Yeah, all of us, the whole crew.
Manager's gonna stay back, make sure the garage is all right.
Exactly.
We're all gonna be there.
Yeah, so we're all going to be there. Me, Teens, Dotto, my dad's coming.
Autographs.
Yeah, we're going to be signing Teens' boobs.
Yeah.
No, but we're going to be there, so come hang out. It's at the Farm Show Complex. We will be with the local dealer network group, so, you know, Calps Ducati, Carnes Performance, BMW Velocity, they're all going to be there. We're going to be there hanging out, and I hope that you guys come out and see us because it'll be freaking awesome. And I think that's about it.
They can arm wrestle me at the booth.
There you go. You can arm wrestle Dotto. We'll pay $5 to arm wrestle him.
Hell yeah.
Get your arm broken off.
Free 99.
So there it is, guys. And just so anyone thinks that we're BSing,
Nobody knows.
there's the official number right there. So happy. Thank you, Jason, for your hard work. We appreciate it. Thank you for everyone who has been watching the series. Stay tuned for the final episode when we put more carbon fiber on this bad boy. It's going to be amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.